to Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas, guys. I can't believe December. When did we start? It was New Year just yesterday. But you guys, I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Welcome to Vlogmas. You guys. So I got back from work a couple of minutes ago. Well, more than a minute. Almost been an hour, sha. And the boys are just about to have their dinner. I'm not cooking anything grand tonight. It's literally chips and nuggets. It's ready now, so I'm going to serve that and let everybody eat. And then tonight I want to put up my tree. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm going to try to put up this tree tonight. All right, you guys. So as soon as I got back from work, I'm just giving you a recap of what happened when I got back from work. I just put these chips in the air fryer. Thankfully, by the time I got home, my husband had cleaned out this air fryer for me because it was a mess. And here, the boys are just helping me load up the dishwasher. And yeah, so I'm just going to put the chips and season it with salt and pepper, and then let it cook while I go upstairs to change to my warm clothes. Guys, this winter is wintering. I literally had to go and dig up this onesie that I have on. I had on at the start of the video. The OGs on the channel probably remember it from last year Vlogmas. This was our family uniform for our Christmas pictures. So yeah, I literally had to go and dig it up because it was the only one thing that I wanted, and it's very comfortable, as you guys can tell. So I just served up our dinner, and then we're just going to eat. This is probably the latest I'm eating this week, and that's because I skipped lunch. So I have to eat something before I go to bed.
Mayonnaise?
Yes?
Why don't we have mayonnaise?
I don't know.
I like mayonnaise. You like mayonnaise with every single type of pizza. Except watermelon pizza.
You eat watermelon on pizza. That's absolutely disgusting.
Oh yeah, it was pineapple.
Thank you. Do you like pineapples on pizza?
That's alright. Hawaiian pizzas.
But I don't like it. I don't think I would like
I
it.
made one before. Yeah?
When would actually smell that? Pineapple pizza.
In school. So as soon as I was done playing catch up with the boys and eating dinner and tucking them into bed for the night, I went up into the attic to get down my Christmas tree and my decorations. And trust me, you guys, I wanted to have this over and done with. My husband was in a meeting, so I had to do this alone. So anyway, this was the easiest part of putting up this tree because I was already dreading it at this point. I felt like I should have done this while the boys were awake, so at least they will help me. But then I thought of the shaggy that I might see if I had tagged along with them. By the way, I'm having these sour worms. The boys had this earlier, but they didn't finish it. So this was from my Jagusta box. I usually unbox this with you guys every month. This is from their November box. You guys, I'm digging up this tree. This is my one and only tree from last year. I thought that this year I'll change it out, but it's still the same tree. And because this year I'm putting up this tree late, I'm not even really bothered because it is going to serve its purpose. I'm not going to stress over how dissatisfied I am with this tree, if I'm being honest. But it's going to work. It's going to do the work. This tree is only going to be up for a couple of weeks, and then it's coming down really early in January. Remember, I told you guys last year that I got this tree from a charity store when we first came into the country. I got the tree for about £5, and the decorations all came in a bag for £4. All of these decorations for £4. So yeah, this is what the tree is looking like without the lights. I will show you what it looks like with the lights on. I mean, it does work. It is a tree and it's serving its purpose. Yes, the boys still pick at it. Well, one of them, you know who. I'm not mentioning names. You guys, I'm so happy that I was able to do this tonight. I didn't want to go into the first without putting up this tree. I'm kind of tired of this tree, if I'm being honest. I'm tired of seeing it. I thought this year I would change it out for a bigger one. Maybe when the boys are big enough to help me, that's when I'll change it. Probably next year, because I feel like they are grown now, grown-ish. I feel like they are grown-ish now, so they can help out with all of this. But this is it for Christmas this year. I'll turn on the lights and show you what it looks like with the lights on and everything. Alright, so for every Vlogmas, I'm going to be telling you guys what I am grateful for. And what I'm grateful for day one is just God's goodness. God has been good to me this year. God has been really good. He has been faithful. He has shown up for me. And in ways that I cannot even imagine. God has turned up for me and my family here. Even when I feel like, oh, I wanted to do more, I wanted to have accomplished much more. But the way God has shown up for me this year, He can only be God, because so many things could have gone wrong, so many things that I planned to do, I wasn't able to execute. God overcompensated for that this year. I will share more details about all of what I'm talking about in subsequent vlogs, so it might be this year, maybe next year, but God has really been good. Also, for this Christmas season, I'm taking part in a challenge. It's called the Christmas Challenge. I found out about it on Instagram from this lady I follow, Christy. Can't remember her handle, but it'll be on the screen. So the challenge is basically to read the book of Luke. I know that Luke has 24 chapters, so we're reading a chapter in a day, so you can choose to break it into like your morning and your evening sessions for like a Bible study. And it's supposed to be like a refresher course to the birth of Jesus Christ. So it's like, you know, trying to read and study up on the real reason for Christmas. And so hopefully you get more light, you get more understanding into why we're celebrating Christmas, what the birth of Jesus Christ signified, and you know what His purpose was for coming into the world. Alright, so who's doing this challenge with me? I will be sharing what I have come up with my story. Alright, so everyone has gone to bed and it's just me. Alright, so we're moving on to another segment of today's video, and that is my shout out segment. This is a segment basically where I just shout out my subscribers and people who have genuinely shown love. I'm just picking out random. This is in no particular order, so there'll be 2 shout outs per Vlogmas. Alright, so the very first shout out is to Rafatu9. You see this lady? Whether it's a vlog, a sit down video, a community post, a short, she's there commenting. Like, she's giving me hilarious comments. Like, I look forward to her comments every single time I release a content. I just want to say a huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for your support. Your encouragement on this channel has been heartwarming. I genuinely appreciate, you know, people like this who consistently come back and show support. I mean, I'm really big on things like this, and it just makes my heart melt. God bless you. God will honor you. The next person is someone who is very dear to my heart. She follows me here on YouTube and on Instagram. This is Marisa. Marisa is one sweetheart that I've come to love here on the channel. She's reached out in my DMs, and I can say we have a personal relationship. This is someone I've never met in my life. This is someone who is not even in the UK, but I know her personally. Like, if I see a comment, I know, yes, this is Marisa, and I've probably shouted her out once or twice. But Marisa is one sweetheart that, I don't know, what do people see in me that makes you come and keep watching my videos? I pray that that thing doesn't turn to hate, and I pray that we will continue to build this community and grow and grow and grow. I'm really grateful, you guys. Your support on this channel means a lot to me. I love your comments. I love reading your comments. I love hearing back from you, whether it is constructive criticism or it's something you really like about the vlog or the video that was put out that day, or whether it was a community post. Thank you so much to everyone who has engaged on the buzz that I've been creating for Vlogmas. You guys, the OGs on the channel know that the price watchers community, we are here. I'm marking attendance. From tomorrow after church, I'll take you guys to Lidl and Farm Fruits on my way back from church, so you guys will get to see how we are watching these prices. I don't know if I'll be able to get to Aldi because it's not on my route anymore ever since we moved here, but I will take you guys along and we'll get to watch these prices together. Remember our turkey that we're always eyeing, that me personally I'm always eyeing. I don't know about you guys, but turkey is one meat that I'm always after. I know Morrison's also does this price watch, because last year, the sugar that they showed me, they said the sales will start by 9, and I got to the shop by 5 minutes past 9. Guys, last year I showed you the vlog, everything was almost gone. All I was able to take was chicken, and chicken is not even really what I want. I also got duck, and duck meat is, have you guys tasted duck? I think I still have one in the freezer, so I'll show you guys what I do with it. So it's already seasoned and marinated and everything, but at least it's still very tasty. But anyway, you guys, this year I will not miss anything. If they say they're opening by 9, I'll be there by 8:45 because I need to be part of that first queue to get in there and pack. So this year my price watch is going to be with Aldi, Morrison's, and maybe Lidl, because I haven't tried Lidl before. I want to see what they have for this year. Alright, so the very last segment is for the giveaway that we're having here on the channel. I will be having more than one giveaway, so there will be a major one that I have, but there are a couple of brands that I've worked with and they're also planning to do or jump on my giveaways. So there's some perfumes in the mix. I think it's just one, so there's perfume to be won as well. So there's one lucky winner for perfumes, and then there's my own hamper, Christmas hamper, for one special subscriber that will get to go home with some knickknacks from brands that I've worked with and some personal items from me. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching today's Vlogmas. Today I have to film and edit this video so that it's ready for you guys to watch in the morning. Vlogmas day 2, here we come. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched Vlogmas day 1. My heart blesses you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Vlogmas is a lot of work. I'm not going to get to lie. For anyone, any content creator here or any aspiring content creator, Vlogmas is work, because you're churning out videos every single day for 25 days, and yes, it has to count. It has to be worth people's time coming to watch. So yeah, I hope to do that. I am glad this tree is up. At least that one is out of my way now, and yeah, I just have the rest of the house to do. Also, big news, you guys, if you guys are planning to start your own content creation journey, I'm putting together a masterclass where I'm going to start teaching how to reach out to brands and how to generate income from YouTube. Alright, so stick around for that. I will talk more about it in the course of Vlogmas, so you guys will tag along. Hopefully I will see you guys in Vlogmas.